Jones,
Regie Jones.
and we are here at 321 East Ridges in Chuckey. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, and just want y'all to come in and check it out. Come on. Come on inside. This is a split bedroom design, hardwood flooring, 10-foot ceilings. And we're going to check out the second side of the house first, the 2 bedrooms. This is bedroom number 2. And come down this hallway, you've actually got 2 storage closets. You've got a full bath that's been completely renovated here recently. And then you've got a 3rd bedroom that's currently being used as a home office. Now, as we come on back out, I'll take you around and show you. We'll do a complete walk around of the living room up here. As you can see, it's completely open. You got a pass through going into the kitchen there. And with our COVID-19 response, we're doing our responsibility to wear safety gloves. We've also got our Lysol, our Clorox disinfectant wipes, and our German-X. So we're doing everything we can to be as safe as we can. And we're also doing, of course, virtual tours and virtual showings as well. So just want everybody to be as safe as possible. Now, as you come out here, we'll go into the master bedroom. This is the master suite coming in here. And we'll walk forward. You can take and already see the master bedroom closet. Coming inside, we've also got a stand-up shower, whirlpool tub, and dual vanity sinks. And then we'll come back in, and I'll show you the 2-car garage that is right off the laundry room. So you got your laundry room here, and then coming out here, you've got a 2-car attached garage, and then you've got a walkway going out that goes out to the 2-car detached garage. So now we're going downstairs, and I'll show you the basement is completely finished as well, so let's go check that out. This will make a great man cave, in-law suite. You've got a dining room table, and then you've got multiple little rooms off the side of this. Little storage room there, just another little office space there. You've got a workout room here. You've got another little den area in this space. Coming back around, you're going to have another little dinette set up here. And then here's your 4th bedroom. And it's got a full closet behind here. And then as we'll end up outside, I got to show you the view on this place. But you do have a finished patio down here. You've got a nice deck. It has a sunscreener on it where you can pull out. But just take a look at this mountain view right here. It is just a fantastic mountain view. Again, this is Regie Jones
And Avery.
and we're coming to you from C21 Legacy. You can call us at 423-470-3131 or 470-2959 is my wife Jody, and of course our office number is 423-639-6781. Thanks guys.